Hey guys, welcome back to the project. Today we're going to be working on the C63. We're going to be replacing the tail lights. So we're going to be looking at removing the OEM stock tail lights, replacing them with the smoke housing that's going to match more the matte black and the tints of the vehicle. And they also come with a LED diffused tail light. So let's get into it. Okay, so a quick before shot showing the current tail lights. And this is the park light, this is the brake light, and now you can see the indicator light on the left hand side of the car. Okay, so we just open up the fuse and ECU cover. So to remove the tail light screws, it'll make our job easier if we remove this little tab here. So first we take out the pin, pop out the tab like this. Make sure you don't try and pop out the tab, make sure your pin comes out first, because the pin inside the little tab expands it and it'll be very difficult to get out. Okay, zooming in a little bit closer, you can see this is one of the 8mm bolts you want to remove, and there are 4 in total. Okay, so we get our 8mm socket set and get the ratchet on there to undo the bolt. As soon as you've loosened it a little bit, undo the rest with your fingertips. Now, before we remove the tail light assembly from the car, we need to remove the bulb circuit board. To do that, we pinch in the 2 tabs like this towards each other, and it just lifts out. And then we need to unplug the 2 wire harnesses. So I've just given you a quick demonstration of how that works. Now we need to remove the actual passenger and driver side tail lights. Once you're done with them, just put them somewhere safe, like the boot of your car, and then insert the new ones. Now, just before you screw them in, plug the harness back in to the electrics, make sure they work, and if they do, then you can carry on and screw those 4 bolts we removed back in. Right, so they all work fine. What I need to do now is cut the cable tie to release all the wiring, and then on the heat sinks you can see that there's double-sided tape. I need to attach that to some metal, and I'm going to put it on the underside here and on the flat part over here. So I'm going to attach it to metal, that way it's going to disperse any extra heat. You want to keep it far away from electrics, so not anywhere near the circuit boards or the ECU here. Right, so once we've done that, we can replace the cover. And then we need to make sure we replace the tab, and then once the tab's inserted in that hole, we need to put the pin inside. Okay, now I'm ready to show you the final product. So this is a smoked tail light housing with full LED lights and a diffused park light section. So as you can see, this is the diffused area here. This is it off again, showing you the smoked housing. Park lights back on with the driver side indicator. Right, so a quick before of the original tail lights, and now the new smoked LED diffused tail lights. I think the tail lights make the car look more aggressive. They certainly make it look more modern with the diffused LEDs at the back. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.